Today I come to you from inside our F82. We are talking about this car in particular because we're very excited to announce a new product in partnership with Öhlins Coilovers. We have worked with the team at Öhlins to build some custom valve, custom spring rate coilovers so that you can take your F82 or S55 powered anything, you can take it to work every day. You can daily drive it. And you can still go to that track day or that cars and coffee meet, or from New York to California and attempt at the gumball rally record. You actually want to be in the car with this set of coilovers on. We don't have a front-facing camera, so hopefully our rear-facing camera captures this. But I'm going over possibly the most potholed road in our town where the shop is located. And I'm comfortable. My back doesn't hurt. My teeth are still in my skull, and I enjoy sitting here in this car. What's really great about these coilovers is that we've taken the Öhlins DFV standard road and track package, and we've adapted it with custom valving and custom spring rates so that you're comfortable on the street, the car is still planted, and you're not forced to ride that static ride height. So we've combined that OEM comfort and quality of a place to be and commute from. But as you can see in the roundabout, I still have plenty of grip, still have plenty of roll prevention, plenty of stiffness, plenty of rebound, and the valving is still adjustable. So right now we're a little on the soft side of midway. It is our commuting car currently. But let's say I'm gonna go to Tail of the Dragon next weekend. Well, full stiff for the ride down there. I get down there, I increase some of the dampening and go have a spirited drive, soften it, and come back home. Haven't had to change coils, I haven't had to change ride height. Also, in our area in particular of Ohio, we get a lot of snow, and you gotta have something to adjust ride height if you're gonna have a modified car in any snowy area. Right now the car is pretty low, but in the winter we'll lift it. On an OEM suspension package, you generally can't do that. But with these Öhlins, I can adjust my dampening, as we covered, as well as my ride height, so that when winter gets here, I'm not worried about it. I just lift it up, get a little bit extra clearance for all our awesome Ohio roads. And that's that. So if you're looking for something in particular, you want to lower your car, you don't want to be static with just lowering springs, you don't want to be beholden to OEM ride height, and you don't want to lose all your comfort with going to a totally track-oriented coilover setup, consider these new Öhlins. I really, really love them. I'm impressed with how comfortable they are, I'm impressed with how much grip they still have, bump absorption and rebound is great, and I don't think everybody needs to have a car ready to go to the track. Some of us go to cars and coffee. Some of us drive canyons. Some of us drive a long commute and just like having a fun car to do it in. And that's exactly where these Öhlins come into play. Like and subscribe for any more of these kinds of videos. We're excited to bring you new products whenever we can. But I'm especially excited to drive this roundabout, so see ya.